Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a shoe store. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a couple, Ken and Lily, and the staff at the shop. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. How many centimeters is Ken's right foot? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Wow, look at this wall. There are so many shoes here.
I know. I love shoe shops like this. What are you looking for today?
I want new running shoes. My old ones are really worn out.
And I want to find some boots. Winter is coming soon.
Good idea. Boots will keep your feet warm.
Let's split up a little and look around first.
Sure, but can I tell you something strange?
Of course. What is it?
I always buy the same shoe size, 28 centimeters, but every shop feels different.
Really? That is strange.
Sometimes the shoes feel too small. Sometimes they feel too big. I never understand why.
Come here. Look at this shelf. Maybe I can explain it.
Okay, what am I looking at?
See this size chart on the wall? It shows shoe sizes for different countries.
Oh, there are 3 number groups, US, UK, and EU.
Right. Look at this pair. This is a US size 9.
Okay.
But the number is different from the UK size. In the UK, this same shoe is size 8.
Wait, so one shoe has 3 different numbers?
Yes, in Europe, this same shoe would be size 42.
That explains so much. I probably compare the wrong numbers sometimes.
Exactly. The size number changes, but your foot does not change.
So I should always check the real length, not just the number.
That is the safest way. Many shops also show the length in centimeters.
Good. I will remember that from now on.
Should we ask someone for help with fitting?
Yes, let's find a staff member. I want to get this right today.
There's someone at the fitting corner. Let's go there first.
Great. I really want to solve this mystery.
It is not really a mystery. It's just shoe sizes.
Well, it feels like one to me.
Do you remember your foot length in centimeters?
Not exactly. I always just say size 28.
Maybe today you can learn your real foot length.
That sounds like a good idea. I want to be more careful about this.
Me too. I never check my boot size that carefully either.
Then let's both learn something new today.
Deal. This shop looks like a good place to start.
Hello, welcome. Are you looking for running shoes today?
Yes, please. My old ones are very worn out.
No problem. Let's start by measuring your feet. Please step on this machine.
Okay, like this?
Yes, perfect. Just stand still for a moment.
This machine looks new. What does it check?
It checks the length and width of both feet at the same time.
Both feet? I always thought my feet were the same size.
Actually, that is a common idea, but it is not always true.
What do you mean?
Look at the screen. Your right foot is a little bigger than your left foot.
Really? I never noticed that before.
It is very common. Most people have one foot that is a little bigger.
So how much bigger is my right foot?
Just a few millimeters, but it can still change how a shoe feels.
I always buy shoes by one number. I never thought about this.
That is normal. Many people do the same thing.
So what should I do?
Always choose the size that fits your bigger foot.
That makes sense. A small size can feel tight on that foot.
Exactly. It is better a little loose than too tight.
Okay, let's try some running shoes then.
Here are 3 pairs in your size. Please try this one first.
This feels nice. It is soft here at the front.
Good. Walk a little and tell me how it feels.
It feels comfortable. My toes have some space.
That space is important for running shoes.
Why is that?
Your feet move and get a little bigger when you run.
Oh, I did not know that.
So a tight but comfortable fit at the shop can feel too tight later.
Good to know. I will remember that.
Let's also check the other 2 pairs before you decide.
Sounds good. I want to make the right choice this time.
Here's the second pair. Please try this one now.
This one feels a little heavier than the first pair.
That is normal. Different shoes use different materials.
I think I like the lighter pair better for running.
Good. That is useful information. Let's check the last pair too.
Okay, I want to compare all 3 before I decide.
Take your time. This is an important choice for your feet.
Thank you for your help today. I am learning so much.
Hi there. Are you looking for boots today?
Yes, I need something warm for winter.
We have some nice styles over here. What color do you like?
I like brown or black. Something simple.
This pair is very popular. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. What size should I start with?
Let's check your usual size first, and we can change the size.
Okay, here you go.
How does that feel?
It feels a little tight around my toes.
Let's try a half size bigger. One moment, please.
Thank you.
Here you are. Try this one.
Oh, this feels much better.
Great. Can I share something useful with you?
Sure, I would love to learn something new.
Actually, the best time to try on shoes is in the afternoon.
Really? Why is that?
Your feet get bigger during the day. They change with walking and standing.
I never thought about that before.
In the morning, your feet are smaller. By evening, they are at their biggest.
So if I buy shoes in the morning, they might feel tight later?
Exactly. That happens to many people.
That explains why some of my shoes feel tight after a long day.
Yes, that is very common. It is not the shoe, it is just your feet.
Good to know. What time is it now?
It is almost 4 in the afternoon. This is actually a good time to shop.
Perfect timing then. I feel good about these boots.
They also look great with your jacket.
Thank you. I think I really like this pair.
Would you like to walk around a little more in them?
Yes, let's do that before I decide.
Take your time. There is no rush at all.
Thank you. I want to be sure before I buy them.
That is smart. Boots are an important thing to buy for winter.
True, I want them to last for many years.
With good care, boots like these can last a long time.
Interesting. I will walk around the store once more.
Sounds great. Just let me know if you need another size.
Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin.
The first word is size chart, meaning a list of shoe sizes for different countries. For example, I checked the size chart before I bought shoes online.
The second word is a little bigger, meaning a little larger than something else. For example, my right foot is a little bigger than my left. The third word is break-in period, meaning the time when new shoes become soft and comfortable. For example, New running shoes need a short break-in period. The fourth word is bottom of the shoe, meaning the part of the shoe that touches the ground. For example, the bottom of the shoe gets dirty outside. The fifth word is return rule, meaning a store's rule about giving shoes back. For example, this store has an easy return rule for shoes. Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Ken and Lily at the shoe store.
Okay, Ken, I have the results from the machine.
Great. Tell me everything.
Your left foot is 27.8 centimeters.
And the right one?
Your right foot is 28.3 centimeters.
So there really is a difference.
Yes, your right foot is a little bigger, just like I said before.
Wait, that explains so much.
What do you mean?
I always buy the same number, but some shops felt tight and some felt fine.
I understand now. The shops probably measure sizes a little differently.
So when a shoe felt tight, it was probably my right foot.
Exactly. Your right foot needs a little more space.
Wow, this is really helpful information.
Now you know to always fit shoes for your bigger foot.
I will remember that every time from now on.
Here are your new running shoes. They match your right foot well.
Thank you. They feel really comfortable.
One more thing before you go home.
What is that?
New shoes need a little time. Wear them slowly at first. People call this a break-in period.
A break-in period. What should I do?
Wear them for a short walk first, maybe 20 minutes.
Okay, just a short walk.
Then a longer one the next day, maybe an hour.
I see. So I should not run a long distance right away.
Right. Give your feet time to get used to the new shoes.
That makes a lot of sense. I do not want any pain later.
Waiting a little now saves trouble later.
Thank you for explaining all of this so clearly.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new shoes, Ken.
I will. This visit taught me a lot about my own feet.
One last tip before you go.
Sure, I'm listening.
Try to wear these shoes only for running, not for daily walking.
Why is that important?
Running shoes wear out faster if you use them every day for everything.
I did not know that. I usually wear the same shoes for everything.
Many people do that, but it's better to have different shoes for different things you do.
I see. I will keep a pair just for running from now on.
Good plan. Your feet and your shoes will both be happier.
Thank you again, Nora. This has been really helpful.
Hey, Lily, how do your boots feel?
Really good. Let's walk around here together.
Sure, let's test them out.
My feet feel warm and comfortable. I really like this pair.
My running shoes feel great too, very light.
They look good on you. How is the fit?
Perfect. My toes have space, just like Nora said.
That is good. Wait, let me look at your laces for a second.
What is wrong with them?
You tied them really tight, almost too tight.
I always tie my shoes tight. I like a tight but comfortable fit.
Don't tie them too tight. It can be uncomfortable after a while.
Really? I never thought about that.
Yes, tight laces can press on your foot too much.
What can happen if I tie them too tight?
Your foot might feel strange, or it can hurt after a long walk.
Wow, I did not know shoelaces could cause that.
A lot of people do not think about it.
So how should I tie them instead?
Just a good, comfortable feeling, not tight. You should be able to move your toes easily.
Okay, let me try that now.
Better?
Yes, actually much better. My foot feels better.
See? Small things can really change how a shoe feels.
I am learning so much today. First the size, now the laces.
Shoes are more complicated than people think.
True. Are your boots okay for a longer walk?
Yes, they feel really nice. I think I will buy this pair.
Same here.
I'm happy with my running shoes.
Great. Let's go pay for everything then.
This was a fun way to spend a weekend.
I agree. I learned so much about shoes today.
Me too. I never knew my feet were different sizes.
And I never knew feet change size during the day.
We should come back here again next year.
Definitely. This shop really knows what they're doing.
Let's go find Leo to pay.
Hi, are you ready to check out?
Yes, I would like these boots, please.
Great choice. That will be $99.99.
Here is my card.
Thank you. One moment while I print your receipt.
No problem. Can I ask you something?
Of course.
What if the boots do not feel right after I wear them at home?
That is a great question. We have a return rule for that.
Oh, really? Tell me more.
If they don't feel right after wearing them at home, you can bring them back within 30 days.
That is very helpful. So even after wearing them a little, I can still return them?
Yes, as long as they are still clean and in good shape.
What if the bottom of the shoe gets a little dirty from walking on the carpet at home?
That is fine. We just cannot take back shoes worn outside for a long time.
Interesting. Thank you for explaining.
Just keep the receipt and the box and bring them both if you return the boots.
I will keep them safe. Where should I put my receipt?
I will put it inside the shoebox for you.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Here are your boots in a nice new box.
This was a really helpful visit today.
I'm glad we could help. Come back anytime.
I definitely will. My partner also bought running shoes today.
Wonderful. I hope you both enjoy your new shoes.
Thank you. Have a great rest of your day.
You too. Enjoy your evening and stay warm out there.
We will. See you next time.
Before you leave, remember to break in your new boots slowly too.
Oh, that is a good reminder. I will wear them for short walks first.
Perfect. That will help them feel even better over time.
Thank you for all your tips today. This shop is amazing.
We are happy to help. Enjoy your winter with your new boots.
I will. Have a wonderful day.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. How many centimeters is Ken's right foot? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. If you want to study more, this channel also has a membership. Members get a special study guide PDF for every episode. Each PDF has the key words, useful phrases, and extra quiz questions that are not in the video. You can find the link in the description below. If you really want to improve your English, please give it a try. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye!